Hey fellow mechanics, I thought I'd share some of the tools I use to remove flare nuts. Flare nuts are on tubing like air conditioning lines, oil lines, transmission, cooler lines, transmission lines, things like that. And they tend to be softer metal, brass or aluminum. So that's why you wouldn't want to use a wrench like this. It's only going to contact it in 3 places. You want to contact as many surfaces as possible. And obviously you can't use that end because it's closed. You can't get past the tubing. So a flare nut type of tool always has an opening. Allows you to get past the tubing and then on to the nut. Well, I have a solid. That's normal. I have flex head because sometimes you just need to get just off straight center. This allows you to get deep down in a well. You'll put an extension on there. These are nice. These are made by Lyle's, and they tend to be used on injectors, high pressure fuel lines, things like that. If you especially have a stubborn flare nut, I would put this on the nut, put this over the top, and tighten it down. That gives a little extra support, and break it loose. Just thought I'd share this. Hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful.